Hey guys, welcome. Welcome back to another episode of the Silent Flautist tutorial series. I am Vivek, aka the Silent Flautist. In the previous episode, we were discussing the seasonal ragas or ragas based on seasons. We established that India, the land of Indus, from the Himalayas to the Indian Ocean, is said to experience 6 Ritu or seasons: the Basanta or spring, the Greeshma or summer, the Varsha or monsoon, the Sharad or autumn, the Hemanta Ritu or pre-winter, and finally the Shishir or winter season. In the previous episode, we also covered in depth the spring season, which is also called Basant or Bahar. In this episode, we are going to be learning about the different moods in the Greeshma Ritu or the summer season. The summers are a tough one to express through music, and there is kind of a mixed feeling associated with it. There are different ragas that are used to describe the different times in the summer season. The early summers and late springs are shown with the help of most sarangs, like Shuddha Sarang, Vrindavani Sarang, etc. The midsummers are best described by ragas like Multani and Bhimpalas. As the mood of these ragas is heavy and mellow, it shows the tiredness caused by the sun blasting in full force. And leaving the summer and the advent of monsoon is described by lighter ragas like Desh and Miyaki Sarang. All in all, we can say that the sarangs, the entire family of sarangs, is associated with the summer season. Let me explain with the help of this beautiful bandish called Ban Ban Dhoondan Jaun. You can see the playfulness in the lyrics. बन बन ढूंढन जाऊं कितहूं छिप गए कृष्ण मुरारी शीश मुकुट और कानन कुंडल बनसी धर हर रंग फिरत गिरिधारी बन बन ढूंढन जाऊं कितहूं छिप गए कृष्ण मुरारी. That was Rag Vrindavani Sarang, and the bandish is called Bana Bana Dhoondana Jaun, set to Teen Tal. I just played it in 234 BPM. Let's now explore another mood of the summer season, the weary, tired mood. And let us check out Rag Multani to express this feeling. So that was Rag Multani. Doesn't it have a sad, weary kind of feeling associated with it? It is because of the notes Komal Rishabh, Komal Gandhar and Komal Dhaivat. All these three are serious notes. Another very similar raga which has the Komal Rishabh only is the Rag Marwa. It is because of the Tivra Madhyam, Komal Rishabh and the Shuddha Dhaivat being present, while the Sa being almost negligible makes it a very weary, sad kind of raga, very apt for the summer season. And let's go to the next phase of the summer, which is coinciding with the advent of the monsoons. This is described best by ragas like Desh and Miyaki Sarang. Desh is a very popular raga, and let us see how this raga shows the beauty of the advent of the rains. That brings us towards the end of this video. So we have seen the 3 different moods of the Greeshma Ritu or the summer season. The early summers, which are shown by types of sarangs like Vrindavani Sarang, Shuddha Sarang and Salang Sarang. The mid-summers that are weary and tiring, where the sun is in its full force, are shown by ragas like Multani and Bhimpalas. And finally, the summer that is leaving us, and then there is the advent of monsoon, is shown by lighter ragas like Desh and Miyaki Sarang. To sum it all up, the category of ragas that fall into the sarangs most definitely is for the summer season. If you're liking the content that I'm creating, consider supporting me through memberships on Patreon. Patrons get exclusive benefits like the transcript to this video, a monthly Google Meet session, and so much more. Or else you can consider making me a one-time contribution through any of these methods mentioned here. I'm there on PayPal too. But please consider liking this video and leaving a comment down here so that I can answer and also engage with you. Make sure you send this video to someone who is learning the flute, because it will be definitely helpful for them. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell icon. For every time you get a notification to learn something new, it will make me extremely happy. See you again next week with another video. Friendly neighborhood silent flautist signing off for now.